If you thought you had the biggest family or you have a very big family, welcome to a world where I'm going to show you what the biggest family looks like. It's one man with such a big family that his name is in the Guinness Book of World Records. Before we begin, like any other video, I would ask you to subscribe, but you might ignore that. If you could subscribe, it would be a boost to the channel and a boost to me also to provide better content. Now that mundane task is done, let's move on with the actual video. The man that we are talking about today. This is Ziona, a man who was born in 21st July 1945 and he is fathering the largest living family. This is his family and they all stay in a 4-storied building. His family comprises of 39 wives, 94 children and 33 grandchildren. They all live in Mizoram, which is a place in India. They have a 100-bedroom house where they all live together. So Ziona built a 4-storied house which appears more kind of a boarding house to accommodate his large family. The house is named Chuar Thar Ran and it means the new generation, and it's located in the mountainous village of Baktwang, which is in Mizoram, India. So Ziona has a double bedroom in the ground floor of this mansion and his wives take turn to sleep with him according to a roster. His younger wives stay close to the room on the same floor and there are always 7 to 8 wives attending to his needs during the day. All older wives live in the dormitories, which is in the first floor of the mansion, while his younger wives live on the ground floor. His wives claim that there is no rivalry between them. He has 39 wives, 22 are below the age of 40 and they get a week to spend with him. He has 26 son-in-laws and daughters who live separately with their families. He said that he has named all his children and grandchildren and he remembers the names of every family member. If we talk about the amount of food that this family eats, one evening meal or dinner would generally consist of 30 chickens, 132 pounds of potatoes and 220 pounds of rice as the major ingredients. Now the Ziona's family is self-reliant, growing crops for their food requirements. He has also established a school for his children and his younger brother looks after its functioning. Although the school teaching is based on the curriculum prescribed by the government, he has added some subjects specific to his sect. Now, it's worth mentioning that he is the leader of a Christian sect called Chanapal, which was formed in 1942. Ziona's wife do the cookings and his daughter attend to the cleaning of the house and they take care of washing laundry. The men of the family attend to the livestock rearing, agriculture, small cottage industries and wood furniture, aluminium utensil making and so forth. The sect that he is the leader of allows the members to marry as many women as they want or as they need. Now, Ziona married 10 women in 1 year, and when he was at his most prolific, he enjoys his own double bed while his wives have to make do with the communal dormitories. He keeps the youngest woman near to his bedroom and the oldest member of the family sleeping further away. So his sect has a follower of 4,000 members and Ziona says that he has still not stopped looking for new wives, and to expand the sect he is even ready to go to the US to marry some more women. So that was a very small insight to the largest living family. If you like the video, don't forget to click on that like button, and if you did not like the video, hit that dislike button. Do subscribe to the channel for further contents and I will see you very soon next time. Thank you.